Alright, this is just a little video on how to show a few extra things that might not be real clear. One of them is how to put text into your game. Okay, I'm going to show you the way I think is easier, and that's with Photoshop. So here's my background I did with Photoshop. I put this text in just using the text tool and typing. Okay, that's what I would recommend because I think it's easier, but you can do it the other way if you want to, and I'll show that. Okay, this way make sure your size is the right size. So the game should be 640 and 480. Okay, then you'd click OK, it changed the size to the right size, and you want to save it as either a JPEG or probably a PNG, not a Photoshop file. It won't work that way. Okay, so that's how I would do it for the text behind your games, just because it's a lot easier and you can customize it better and all that good stuff. Okay, if you don't want to do that, here's my finished ones that I made. I made an ending screen one, and a title screen one, and then my main screen one. Okay, so that's what I would do with that. If you don't want to do that, you can add text a different way. You have to first tell the text what type it's going to be. So we pick a type of a font. Gives you a little preview right there. Let's see, so there's Tekken Pro Cond. I don't know what that is. And you pick a size. Let's say 30. That's probably too big. And you can give it a name. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Click OK. So you got a font now. Okay. Then you go into an object. Now here's where I would probably make a new object and make one called controls, or you could even make one just specifically for your font if you wanted. Okay, let's do controls because I'm going to use that later. Actually, no, I'm not. Let's just say font. Okay, it's not going to need a sprite. Click OK. Then we open up font, and okay, that's the announcements. That's annoying. We click add an event. We choose draw, and then we go to draw. Okay, so you can set your font here. There's that font we just chose, my font. This really doesn't matter, and I'll show you why in a second. You can pick a color. Let's see, how about that? Okay, good. And then finally you put what you're going to say on the text. I think it's this one. Yep, not really sure. Well, you can see what that is. So, and then you can say whatever. I think you can separate stuff. I think it's a comma or a semicolon. I can't quite remember. It's somewhere in the directions because that might be too big. We'll see. Let's just do welcome instead, just so I know I'm okay. Alright, here's where you set it, X and Y. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to say 300 and 300. You want to tweak this so it looks nice. So I click OK, click OK. The last thing I need to do is add this to my room because this font is not added to my room. So I go open up my room, choose my objects, and choose font and add it. And it's just going to be like this other one for score. Okay, I click OK, click run. And there's my font that I made. Okay, it doesn't do anything, it's just there. So that's the two ways for font. Okay, I think I'm going to split these videos up, so we'll just do font first.